Hi, happy Friday. It's me, Angie. I'm here in my studio, and this month's Claymate kit. So I put together a kit that is step by step. It has a little full color instruction booklet and comes with all the clay and everything. So this month's kit is Spike the Cactus, and I thought in honor of Spike, I'm gonna make some little cactus charms, some tiny little cacti charms. But before I do that, I also wanted to say I'm gonna start giving away everything I make in my videos. And so in order to get a chance to win, if you end up liking these little charms and you want to win them, you need to subscribe to my channel, and then in the description below this video will be a little link to put in your entry for the drawing, and it'll probably be like 30 days, and then I'll pick somebody and you can either come get it here at the studio or I'll ship it to you. So thanks so much. Here we go. Alright, so I've got this terracotta clay, and I'm just kind of rolling 3 little pieces into like a ice cream cone shape. So tapered, it's skinny on one end and fat on the other. And then just flattening the top and the bottom on either side, and rolling along skinny worm, wrapping it around the top, and just kind of smoothing that connection point there, covering it up, making sure everything's stuck really good and looking nice. I'm gonna do that on each one, and just making sure that rim is up a little bit higher so that there's a little bit of room there to add some clay for the dirt, i.e. dirt colored clay. So just using the ball tool a little bit to put that clay in there, and then just kind of poking a bunch of little dots in there. I'm gonna use this tan color on this one. And then I'm gonna do super fine dots and then some bigger dots. Give it some texture. This one, I'm gonna mix the dark brown and the tan together. And again, make a bunch of dots, the little pointy ones and then some thicker ones with the knitting needle. So first one, gonna make like a tapered little guy there, and a long eye pin to stick through the top. I used a little bit of that poly paste again, like a glue. And now I got the little loop on the top, turn it into a charm. Second one, I'm rolling a bunch of tiny little balls of a bright green clay, and then flattening them a little bit. I'm just kind of putting the biggest ones in the center, and then on either side doing some smaller ones. And attaching them with that eye pen. Just adding a couple little tiny ones. Thought it needed it. Oh, they're looking so cute already. This one, I'm mixing a couple different colors of green. Getting it all mixed up there. Roll it into a ball. Clean all the color off my fingers. Using the fat side of the X-Acto knife to make 3 indents, and then putting a super tiny little piece of bright green clay into that spot. It's kind of sticky. And then going back and I had to fix a little bit there. It kind of got wobbly. And then just kind of making that indent again. Here I'm taking like this purple, flattening it a little bit, and just kind of rolling it up like a little flower. Gonna put the eye pen through that. Oh, nope, need a longer one. A little bit of poly paste and get that stuck on there. Now I'm taking this dark green wire and I'm going to make some little spikes. I'm gonna just stick 2 little spikes. I'm pushing them in there pretty far. Just do 2 in each of the bright green lines. Little spikies. Alright, now take these little guys to the oven. They're all baked up, and I've got some white acrylic paint here. Just a tiny little bit. I'm gonna use this very small brush and just kind of do some little lines all along this first cactus. One, 2, 3. Ta-da! Pretty cute. That looks like a pickle. Alright, now I'm gonna just add some more. These ones are gonna be a little more like dots than lines, but putting 3 dots on that one. I'm not gonna do any on this other one. Clean this brush. And now we glaze. So that was such a little bit of paint, it's gonna dry pretty quickly. I'm gonna use a gloss glaze. I love to use golden, it's like polymer varnish for acrylic paints. I forget, they changed the name somewhere along the way and I can't remember, but maybe you'll see the bottle. Just works really good. And I'm gonna, whoa, flying around, just landing right in the glaze lid. That's okay, we'll just glaze you up. We'll just spread it around. So just getting a nice layer everywhere. Sometimes I do 2 layers after it dries, just to get it extra glossy. And I like to use, when there's a little eye pen stuck in there, it's nice because I can just grab it with the pliers to hold it while I glaze everything. Now, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Next step is gonna be attaching some jump rings and then some lobster clasps. Oh, I got 3 jump rings. I like to use 2 pliers to just twist them open. And it would have been smart to maybe have the lobster clasps right there when I did this at the same time. So I only had to open and close them once, but okay, I got my 3 lobster clasps and I am reopening these little jump rings and popping the clasp on there. It just helps to have 2 pliers, but can be done with 1 plus your fingers. Now we got these cute little charms. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you want to win these, you can enter to win in the description link below, and you also need to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. See you next Friday.